Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Noah of NAREKATRADING. So let's analyze NZDUSD together to look for potential trades to trade for the next week. The keywords that you should write down: multiple time frame analysis and support and resistance. That's what I'm using to analyze my market, right? Keywords: support, resistance, multiple time frame analysis, trend trading, right? So my strategy, basically what I trade is I look for a trending market and then identify a potential area where I can enter from. Let's suppose this is the nearest resistance I can enter from. Just keep this in mind while we will be busy analyzing NZDUSD, right? This is the strategy, right? Or you might find that we have a trend line, but I don't like using trend lines, right? Just trying to make things clearer for you. So when we have an uptrend like this, I will try to find an area where the price will react either from this area or this area or this one right here, so that I can buy with this uptrend, right guys? The opposite, I do the same thing the opposite way. When I have a downtrend like this, right? When I have a downtrend like this, I will look for support an area, because now we have they've been given new terminologies like fair value gaps and whatnot. But basically, these things are, to me, I just see support and resistance. That is it. Because I like my mission, actually, or my aim rather, is to keep trading as simple as possible, right? I have a downtrend. I wait for the price to pull back to this support to turn resistance, or this resistance that would again turn as resistance to sell. So let's go ahead and analyze NZDUSD to look for potential trades to take next week. And remember, if things are not making sense, we simply stay out. Performing multiple time frame analysis. So starting with our entry time frame or our minor time frame, H4. Basically what we are seeing here, to me the market is ranging, right? But for someone, I know someone is seeing a trending market. Someone is seeing a trending market. No two traders are the same. Someone is seeing a trending market, right? Like this, pushed up, pushed down, pushed up. Now it's coming down. This is trending. The person would not be wrong, but I like doing things the way I am doing them, as I am showing you guys. So remember, guys, if this information you are finding it good, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, right? Please remember to like and subscribe, and also comment if you have any questions, comments, whatever. So let's go to the 1 week time frame. So still, because I like looking at the macro picture, what I'm seeing is a range, support and resistance, sell resistance, sell resistance, sell resistance. As simple as that. Buy support. You wait for the price to come to the support, you buy support. Next time the price comes to the support, you buy support. Keeping things as simple as possible, right? Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. It's not easy, but it's easy. Practice makes perfect. This thing doesn't want to be deleted. I'm leaving it. So the way I am seeing my higher time frame, the weekly time frame, I'm seeing a ranging market which is going sideways. market which is going sideways. But remember guys, when you go to lower time frames, this thing are going to become the minor and the long-term trends. This swings up and downs. They are going to become trends on lower time frames, either minor trends or long-term trends, depending on the size of the time frame that you are looking at. So you can simply go to lower time frames and then take advantage of this pushes down, because they would be trending anyway. They would be trending down. Okay, let me go to a 4-hour time frame. Let's focus on this first swing down. 4-hour. Let's go back and find that circle. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, no, that's not the one. This is the one. You see guys, you have a down trending market. You see this? You have a down trending market. But when you go to the weekly time frame, it's simply a small push down inside a big range, right? It's just a small push down inside a big ranging market. So having this in mind, let's go down to the lower time frames and try to see what is happening. Right, let's go to the daily time frame. How is the daily looking? Okay, let's talk about this right here. In this this is how I perform multiple time frame analysis, guys. In this weekly time frame, remember that this push down, this bearish movement is going to become a long-term or a medium-term downtrend on the lower time frames. You see this? It's a minor a minor or a short-term downtrend. But when you go down further to 4-hour or 1 hour, it becomes a major or a long-term downtrend where you should be selling. Remember guys, when you have a downtrending market, you should be looking for selling opportunities. When you have a downtrending market, only look for selling opportunities, right? So where would we sell in this case? Because we are having a downtrend, where would we sell in this case? Okay, the trend line, we cannot reference it because now it's been broken. The one thing you should also bear in mind is that, yeah guys, remember to like and subscribe, right? I'm not sure if I mentioned it. Remember to like and subscribe. The one thing I should mention is that, what was I trying to mention? Is that, oh, the 4-hour time frame, the lower time frames are noisy. That's why I prefer going up to the higher time frames. Right here, I'm going to focus only on the fact that I am seeing a downtrend, right? Pushed down to this point, went up, broke down, went up, pushed down, and then now currently this right here is the area where I'm supposed to be looking for selling opportunities, NZDUSD, right? So when the market opens on Monday, I will be looking for selling opportunities, and then the price indeed came. Okay, this was resistance. The price came, right, and retested our area. So we should look for, let's see if, yeah, and then again the stock again the stochastic is confirming that the price is overbought, so we can expect the price to push down from this area right here, right? Keep things as easy as possible, guys. So let's go to lower time frames and see if we have an entry confirmation. Right, here we are. But currently, we don't have any form of entry confirmation right here. You don't have any form of entry confirmation. So how would we go about selling this, right? So if you can go, or you can even see it right, you can see it right here. This is a support. Price did come and retest this area. This is a support, right? So the way we can go about selling inside this market is we can go further to 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. You do remember this resistance from the daily, this resistance, this support, I mean to say, sorry, this support, right? We can simply just be patient. Patience can simply be patient, wait for the price to come, right? Break below, come to retest, and then we sell from here. And then our trade will look something like this. Our trade will look something like this. Should be a very beautiful trade, by the way. Yeah, will look something like this. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. This can be your first TP, and this right here can be your first TP, and then this will be your second take profit. So you have a trade that looks like this. So I hope you are finding this information very usable, guys. So I think this is the part 2 or part 3 of NZ. No, this is actually part 1, right? Yeah, this is part 1 of NZDUSD, of how I would go about trading when the market opens. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.